Hi guys, UDR here. Back with a quick vid, little unboxing. I got DR10 kit. Go ahead and pop the box open so you guys can see what the kit looks like, at least you know how it comes. Go ahead and get this cut open so we can see what she's looking like, guys. Alright. This is what we're looking like, guys. This out the way. There we go. DR10 kit, guys. Alright guys, so I got it out the box. Go ahead and break the seal on it so we can see what the content look like on the inside of it. It's this way. Alright, cut that open. Alright, you open the box. This is what you see, guys. See some parts. Basically, kit. Pull out, and here you go, man. It's just bag of parts. And then you have your manual, which would pretty much be how to build it, all the instructions and everything. Alright. So, it has all the wheels, tools. Go ahead and open it so you can see. Alright, so open the bag. What you will see in the bag, first you'll see your little tools. You get some shock spacers, you get your wheelie bar, wheels, you get body mounts, and then you get the booklet out, get a sticker sheet, and the stickers are pre-cut, so you just peel it off and stick. So before, with the RTR version, you have to trace all the stickers out. So these are already pre-cut for you. Then you have this usual booklet here, a little flyer you get. And then this is the book here. All right, in the book, it shows you basically step by step how to build it like the RTR book. Well detailed. So you know if any guys build a kit before, you know you're gonna be spending some time building. I mean, you want to get to the part of driving the car, but yeah, pack your patience. You're gonna need a little bit to get this thing done. All right, so that's what the booklet looks like with the manual, and then you have again the bag full of parts, guys. See the motor mount there, bunch of screws down here, arms. Up here, see it. This is the wheels. These are the wheels right here. All right. So when I get ready to build this, I'll crack it open, show you guys all the stuff that's in here. Here's a quick unboxing. See the chassis in the bottom part here. So it's a quick unboxing. So I'll do a quick vid when I'm getting ready to build it, show you guys everything, the layout. I should see, oh here you go, right here. I see there you go, the sway bars. All right, I just saw that right there. So yeah, so when I go ahead and get ready to build it, I'll open it all up and show you guys exactly what's in the bag. Just a quick unboxing. Again, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.